And there are so many lessons that we need to learn in this country, and we'll learn. But one of the obvious lessons is we are in a software world. It was the case that this was the ramblings of a couple people 20 years ago that, people didn't think should have been in this business, including you and me and our other co-founders and early employees. It's just a banality. And the other thing is our adversaries now are awake. China and Russia realize this. They didn't realize it before.
Yeah.
And that is going to change where they invest their money. And we'll give them ability to catch up if we're not on top of
Yeah,
us.
well, this was a thesis 20 years ago. Is this would clearly become by far the most important part of the defense world, which it seems to have become now. It's a little scary that they're aware of it too, but it's nice to have a lead for now. Zooming out a little bit, I want to ask about Silicon Valley before we end. You said our problem in the West is not technological; it's organizational. And can you expand on that? And is that true of government and technology? How do you think about that?
Again, we build these crazy valuable things. We build them in a way no one else builds them, with tiny groups of exactly the right people managed aggressively against a goal that could take years, where we split the proceeds pretty equitably across the people who build it, and where people can be involved and from the outside. We have a general culture that embraces that, extends it, tries to insert that into institutions with all its flaws and there are many, and we've lived under those flaws, that is unlike any other in the world.